How to replace the filters. ZF series. 1. Turn off the power. Stop the operation completely. 2. Open the inspection cover and disassemble the first filter, pre-filter. 3. Disassemble the second and third filter. 4. Disassemble the third filter, carbon filter case. Release the bolts of third filter, carbon filter case, and open the cover. 5. Remove the active carbon. Remove the used active carbon and media clearly. 6. Assemble it by reverse order. Spread the new media on the carbon filter case and fill up the new active carbon, then assemble it by reverse order.